Hey people, as you all know, I love doing these recordings of products that I think are really good. So there is this particular product called uh, Kashmiri Masala Tikki, which is from this brand called Kesar Khan Kesar Mahal, and I got this from the actual shop in Kashmir during my recent visit there. And this masala tikki, which has a traditional Kashmiri flavor, it is so amazing that thinking of it only I'm feeling hungry. It's like we just need to add this masala into when you're making rajma. Kashmiri rajma is very famous, so you just need to add a pinch of this masala that looks like this. It's almost over. See, my mouth is watering. Yeah, can you believe it? Okay, see, it's only this much left. You just have to add a pinch of it, and that's it. You get the most yummy Kashmiri rajma possible. So I highly recommend this, people. It is Khan Kesari Mahal. It's called Kashmiri Masala Tikki, which you can get it on Amazon, and it was very reasonably priced. Yeah, it says MRP 300, but I think I got it for 200. But yeah, for 300 is the price of it, and you can find it on Amazon, and I would highly recommend it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.